Hello. Let me show you how to easily hide your desktop icons from an intruder or anybody that you wouldn't want him to see the folders or the menu on your Windows desktop. The first thing you have to do is to point your mouse to any location on your desktop or your Windows screen. Right-click on your mouse and select View. Then go down to the right tab that says Show Desktop Icons. Click on it to deselect it, and it will automatically hide all the desktop icons. Close the screen, and you will find that all the folder icons have been hidden. You now have a clean desktop, as you can see. To bring back the folders, simply point your mouse to any place on the screen and right-click on it. Select View as you did before, move down and select Show Desktop Icons. Close the windows and your folders are back. Please support us by subscribing, like, and share our videos for more. Thanks.